a small, peaceful village nestled between lush green hills and a crystal-clear river. A villager named Raju, with a face full of worry, paces back and forth by the riverbank, his clothes worn and his eyes filled with frustration. Raju, overwhelmed by his struggles, hears of Gautam Buddha meditating nearby. Deciding to seek advice, he heads to the forest where Buddha sits under a large Bodhi tree, radiating calmness and wisdom. As Raju approaches, he falls to his knees, asking Buddha, "Why do I suffer? Why does my mind always feel troubled?" Buddha looks at him with compassion and motions for Raju to sit. Buddha smiles and offers Raju a cup of water. "Hold this still," he says. As Raju holds it, his hands tremble. "Why is it shaking?" Buddha asks. Raju responds, "Because my hand is unsteady." Buddha nods, "So too is your mind. If it is unsteady, everything you do feels troubled." Buddha continues, "If you drop a stone into a calm pond, it creates ripple. This is your mind when it is disturbed. But what happens when the water is still?" Raju imagines a pond without ripples. "Nothing disturbs it," he replies. Buddha explains, "Your suffering comes not from the world, but from your mind's reaction to it. Just like the water, if your mind is calm, no external stone will disturb it." Buddha tells Raju, "The mind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. When trained, it brings peace. When left uncontrolled, it brings suffering. How you train your mind determines your life." Buddha instructs Raju to meditate. Through mindfulness and meditation, you can still your mind and find peace within yourself. Once the mind is calm, the world cannot shake you. After several hours of meditation, Raju opens his eyes. His face has transformed from one of frustration to calm. He thanks Buddha, realizing that peace comes from within, not from the external world. Raju walks back to his village, feeling lighter and more at peace than ever. As he looks at the same village and the same people, everything feels different. Not because the world changed, but because his mind has. The scene closes with Buddha's words echoing in the background. Your mind is your most powerful tool. If you control it, you control your world. The story ends with a moral. Peaceful mind sees the world in peace. Control your mind and you control your life.